This evening, Laura is going to be bringing us a versatility to the table for her talent presentation tonight with a showcase she hopes will bring you a small taste of her personality as a Tongan raised overseas. While Polynesian dancing, specifically Tau'olunga, is something she has performed since she was encouraged by her mother at a very young age, Laura has also grown up to love other forms of song and dance, absorbing those techniques growing up in Oakland, California, USA. She will incorporate those inherited talents tonight during her performance, dedicated to her mother, the late Tautau Lamusu Fale Whakamanatu Lauti. Mo paspas mai Miss Lomaile Lodge, Miss Laura Milaya Renee Lauti.
Maria bene lue dai min whakatahai pe moe screen
ko ene misi eni ko honoloto eni ko ene whakaamu eni pe ane ongo ene malolo ka ko loto pe ke whakahoko.
Remember those walls I built? Oh baby, they're tumbling down, and they didn't even put up a fight. They didn't even make a sound. I found a way to let you in, but I never really had a doubt. Standing in the light of your halo, I got my angel now. Was like I've been awakened. Every rule I had you breaking. It's the risk that I'm taking. I ain't ever gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking now, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Mama, I could feel your halo. You're my saving grace. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Mama, I could feel your halo. They won't fade away.
I love you, Laura. Goodbye.
dai mini ne to ai ko fu ko ia ani ko nei ko fere aki ko ia ko nan tui mai ko ni ko le taiti
Let me hear you say, hey, Miss Carter.
ko ia to ai te wa fatai te te mini
He my husband.
ai ko le ko mata mai ne ko pa nga to wa ke ko no muri ave ku Beyonce
You know I used to beat that block. Now I beat that.
I hear you beat him up, and I'm the like to keep the beats. No, this true to fact, they like to keep him on a
hip hop
I'm alone, but I'm alone for a reason. Sipping me a drink ain't a reason. Believe me, come harder, this won't be easy. Don't doubt yourself, trust me, you need me. This ain't no shoulder with a chip or a beat. But what you think they are mad at you? You need a real woman in your life. If you can't, still fly. I'ma help you build up your account. Believe me, when you end up big niggas for a million. Take me just a couple of the girls. Anything you got, I said the million. Believe me,
Ladies and gentlemen, a stellar performance from our final contestant. There you go. Laura Melaya Renee Tepo Atalauti, representing Miss Lomaile Lodge.